I recently took my kids across country and we went to VidCon in Anaheim. And while we were there, I met some nice people from the company Zeniko. And they make budget videography products like lights, this vlogging kit, and stuff like that. So I think I have some video of it. We're at the Zeniko booth and they've got, yeah, go ahead. I'm recording myself. At the Zeniko booth at VidCon, they have different lights and vlogging equipment. We're gonna partner up and I'm gonna do some videos on how to use their equipment, what they have available and all that fun stuff. So yeah, look out for that, coming soon. Yeah, so I met those people and they were super nice. I told them about my channel. They checked out my channel and I said, could you guys send me some stuff so I can try it out? And they agreed. And so they sent me this vlogging kit here, which I'm gonna talk about in this video, and a couple of tube lights, which are super cool that we're gonna talk about because they are inflatable tube lights. And we'll get to that in the next video, so subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on that video. Let's talk about this though, because there was one thing on their table that like stood out at me and I was like, that's really innovative and cool and I would love one of those. And they were actually only selling them there, but they go in this vlog kit. So if you get this vlog kit, you'll get this really cool thing. I'm not gonna tell you yet because you gotta stick around to know till the end. But we'll break down this vlog kit and I'll say what I really like about it. And maybe if something's standing out that I don't like about it, I'll mention that. But we're gonna play with it real quick and let's talk about the light first and we'll go down from there. So the light you can get on its own and I'm gonna show you it. This is the box that it comes in. So they sell it in a few different colors, but the one I got is the bicolor version of it. It's the VS5 bicolor. So Zeniko VS5 bicolor, that's the one that came in this kit here. So your information's on the top here and all your buttons. You have a button for powering on, a button to change your mode on whether you're trying to change the color temperature or the brightness. This is your up and down for those. So if you hit this, it actually switches it over to dim, which is the brightness. And you've got 10 brightness settings and 8 of the color temperature settings. So right now I might be on my lowest brightness setting. I am on my lowest brightness setting and I'm gonna go all the way bright. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 is our brightest. And then if I hit the M button and change my mode, I can go through the color temperatures. So I'm at the warmest right now and it flashes every time you extend past what you're allowed to do. I'm at the warmest right now. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is it. So that's the coldest it gets. Let's dim this down. So you can hold and do it real quick. So yeah, look, like I'm holding the button, get it real bright, hold it, and it'll get real dim. So this is like a silicone softbox for it that you can remove or put on. I'm not gonna remove it all the way because of this right here. So this comes in the box and it is so that you can use it on a cold shoe mount, which is how the vlogging kit is set up. But it also has a screw hole so that you can use it on a 3/4 inch screw if you so chose to do that. For this purpose, it goes on the vlogging kit. We'll put the kit back together as I'm done speaking about it. I did not mention the light has a little stand on it that if you wanted to just prop it on something, you could use that. You can also hook it onto something with it, and it's magnetic on the back. So it will magnetically stick to stuff. The tripod that it comes with is interesting. I typically use the Ulanzi MT33 flexible tripod for a lot of stuff, but if you see, for vlogging purposes, this is a little too big. It's a little bit much. Something like this is a lot more compact, but also has the abilities to get longer because you can just actually extend the legs out. So if I wanted to get it out there a little bit farther, I could do that, extend the legs out that way. And then obviously it will tabletop sit like this. It works out well for if you want to get your camera farther away. You attach the mount to it with an actual like screw here, which I like a lot because these wheels make it so you're not wearing out the bottom of whatever you're mounting it for. Meaning I can use this for a regular camera as well. It doesn't have to be for this phone mount. It's a tripod. First and foremost, it's a tripod. It is their MT01 tripod. It comes with some of their kits, but I don't know if they sell it by itself. If they do sell it by itself, I will have the link in the description. Otherwise, the kit link's down there, and the things that are by themselves will also be linked down in the description. So nice little tripod, comes in super handy. I like it a lot. I like how it attaches. This has actually like locking teeth where it's going to actually like grip into place. You can feel the teeth when you click it. Can you hear it? I don't know if you can hear it. Anyways, little teeth are good because then if you're angling it, it's going to stay at the angle. You don't have to worry about it skipping out. Sometimes when you tighten things down, like even this ball head on this one, you tighten it down as much as you can and you can still move it, you know? And like, yeah, so things like that, like being able to tighten that down so it doesn't move on you, that's nice. Having little teeth on it where it's gripping on. All right, I'm going on too much about this. The thing that I enjoyed the most about this little setup that I thought was just really unique and cool, and I hope that Zeniko starts selling it by itself on Amazon. They may on their website, but it's this attachment. So I love it because it gives you a mirror so you can get your framing while using your best camera on your phone. Because most people vlogging on a cell phone are going to vlog with the selfie camera like this. And you're missing out because if you're vlogging with your selfie camera, you're using the worst camera on your device. Because for some reason, phone companies do not understand that we want our best camera to be able to be facing us also, you know, or as good. It should be as good as the other cameras. There's no reason. Your selfie camera should be as good as your best camera on the backside. Personal opinion, but I think it should be. Since it isn't though, this solution, having the little mirror here, is perfect and it works pretty good for getting your framing. Let me pull up record right now and I'll tell you where I'm framing it on my phone, and we'll see if it matches up to where it's framed. Like where I'm looking at it on here and where it records on my phone, we're going to see if it matches up. So I should be recording and I am in my this side third on the phone. How's it right there? My eyes should be on the upper third-ish. I can't see it. I'm going to look. I'm cheating. It looks like it is. So it matches up how I have mine lined up to how it's recording on the screen pretty well, which means that I can vlog with it this way using the best camera on my phone. That's so handy. It's so nice to have. I can put my light on it if I'm vlogging and walking through somewhere and I want to be lit the whole time and have a nice soft light. I'm going to turn off that light and just see how this could be used as a fill. That's without it. That's with it. Now it's a little cool right now. It does a decent job doing a fill. I could hold it over here if I wanted to. I think so. It's soft enough. All right, let me turn on my other light. My other fill light that I was using. That one's brighter, but it's bigger. So for what it is, it's going to work. So I like it. I love this. I love this. Is so cool and innovative. I haven't seen it on any other phone mounts. Maybe it exists out there, but this is the first time I've seen it, and I think that was cool that they threw that on there. And when I was walking past their booth at VidCon, I was like, what? Let me see that. And I asked her, she let me try it on my phone, and I was like, I need one of these. For the price point, I think it's very comparable with something else you can get out there. Right now it's at 50. I don't know if it's always going to be at 50, but it is right now. You can check it out, see if it's worth it to you. But I give it a 2 thumbs up rating, you know, 5 stars. It's up there. It's good. It does what you need it to do. And having this awesome, and you can switch this to other stuff if you wanted to, but having that there, if you're a phone vlogger, I mean, being able to frame with the good camera, it means something. It means something. All right, guys, well, I'm going to head out, and I hope you subscribe so you can see what these guys are about when I talk about them in next week's video. So, all right, peace out. Go shoot something awesome. Don't forget to post your work. Later.